Guys, please let your friends also know that the session has started. Please let your friends also know that the session has started, guys. We will be waiting till 6 o'clock. Until then, please let your friends also know that the session has started, guys. Guys, please let your friends also know that the session has started. If you have any queries, please drop it in the Q&A section, guys. Please let them know that the Google GenAI, Google GenAI with Google Cloud session has started, guys. Please let your friends also know that the GenAI with Google Cloud session has started. We'll be waiting 5 more minutes. Thank you. Thank you for your response, guys. Okay, no worries, no worries. Guys, I think we are still facing issue with the labs. You didn't still understand the labs. Okay, no worries. I'll be explaining them again. Yeah, after the third lab, we are going to have third activity. Hmm? Are you talking about the third activity? Who told you to complete the fourth lab, guys? I only told you to complete the first chat, first lab. That's it. Today also chart option missing. Yeah, still they are working on it. Okay. I have told you to complete only first lab for now. Okay. Am I clear with that? Good evening. Good evening, question. Hello, Shubham. Hi. Okay, let your friends also know that the session has started, guys. Good evening, guys. Good evening. Yeah, if you are completing the first lab, that's more than enough for today. Is it first session today? No, 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 Shiva. It has already been fourth session. This is the fourth session. Past Monday we were having first lab means introduction to Gen AI. No, first lab means prompt engineering, prompt designing. That's the lab, first lab. Fourth activity, first lab. Okay, you're talking about the activities. Let me confirm you. Sir, first lab में मुझे नहीं no worries, no worries, Aman. I have already replied to you. I'll be explaining that again. That only okay. Activities, okay. Prompt design. You are unable to understand from where I have a lesson. Regarding the missing classes, I have already talked to the team. They will be assigning you very soon. Yes, they need some time. I have already contacted the team. They will be sharing you the miss class, past classes, not recent classes, previous classes recording very soon. Okay. Again, please. Okay, I will be explaining that again. No worries. If you are understanding the first lab till three activities, responsible AI. Okay, that's good. That's when will the first complete the labs first? Learning path. We have basically three learning paths here. Then after completing these three learning paths, you are going to get the certificate. Am I clear with it? First complete the labs and activities learning. Sorry, labs and learning paths. Then you are going to get the certificate. No worries. Mostly at the end of this month, you are going to get the no. What is the on coming up month, August first week or second week, you are going to get the certificate. No worries. Am I clear with that? And please let your friends also know that the session has started. Very few people, like 55 people only join the session. Closely 70-75 people used to join the session. We'll be waiting till 6:10. Okay, sir, I have completed all four labs. So what we have to do? Yeah, we now. I didn't tell you to complete all those labs for now because most of your friends are facing some issues with the labs, right? No worries. If you have completed the lab, no worry. I hope you have gone through the labs carefully, Abhinav. I got problem in changing my window to not let you when I start my vortex lab. Okay, no worries, no worries, sir. There are no visibles. Yeah. Okay, Abhinav, you have gone through. I'm not sharing my screen because some of your friends need to join, and when they join, I'll be sharing my screen. Still, your friends are joining, no worries. Okay, Abhinav, you have gone through labs. That's great. From where we will come to the labs. Everything will be explained soon. Just give me a minute. I will be starting at 10 o'clock, 6:10, sorry. Okay. Sir, we see about attendance. Okay, regarding the attendance, I have already informed you. These attendance details, you cannot go through the attendance details. This details is marked by Zoho. Even I cannot go to the attendance, okay? It is taken care by another team. I cannot go to the attendance also. Please try to attendance. Please try to attend the session daily. So at the end of total course, you don't face any issue. Okay. Says we'll be waiting 2 more minutes. Some of your friends are still joining the session. Yes, guys, I'll be starting the session daily. So how can I get the attendance? Regarding the attendance, I have already informed you in the previous classes. You need to be attentive 90% of the session. You should be present of the 90% of the session. Total 90% of the session, if you are present, then only you are going to get the attendance. This session we have, right? Let's say 80%. 80%. जब 80% सेशन में आप प्रेजेंट हो आपको आज का क्लास का अटेंडेंस मिलेगा. I have received mail today. What I will do now? What is it, Shivam? This is how you talk to a sir. Okay. No worries. I will be explaining, Shivam. No need to hurry up. Some of your friends need to join the session. I think some of them are still new to this session. As of you, same like you. So many people are new to the session, right? Just give me minutes. I'll be I'll be sharing my screen. Everything will be explained detailedly. No need to worry, Shivam. Okay. Am I clear with that? Okay. Thank you for the responses. Okay, there are two Shivams now. Okay. Shivam. Yes, guys, try to join the session till 6:10 so that time will not be wasted. I'll be starting the session 10 minutes or 5 minutes before. So try to join the session as soon as possible. If you are joining at 6:10, most of the time will be covered. 1 hour, 50 minutes, we can go through the session. If you are joining the late, you are going to lose it. Please try to understand that. Okay. Okay, guys. Thank you for your response. Yeah, this is a virtual intention. You are going to the virtual intention. This is a virtual intention program where you are going to learn about generative AI with Google Cloud. Okay, let me share my screen now. Please guys don't leave the session. I see two of them have left the session. Don't leave the session, guys. It is mandatory to stay till the end of the session. आपको 80% ऑफ द सेशन में प्रेजेंट होना है. आपको अटेंडेंस चाहिए तो आपको 80% ऑफ द सेशन में प्रेजेंट होना चाहिए. ओके. Okay, let's wait for 1 more minute. Some of your friends are still joining. Yes, guys, please join till 6:10. Am I clear with the timings? I'll be starting the session before 5 minutes or 10 minutes. Please try to join early. There is a problem in screen. Okay, I am rejoining. Okay, no worries, no worries. I will be waiting 1 more minute. Just try to rejoin. Okay. Sure, have done three activities with the Google account sign with the email I have given for the index. Okay, that's good. But now when I am creating Google Cloud account, I not working. It's not the same email. Okay, what to do now? Okay, Google Cloud account. Why do you want to create a Google Cloud account? Are you talking about the Skill Boost account? Google Cloud account? Yeah, Skill Boost account. Okay, but now when I try to create, you are saying that, sir, I have done three activities with the Google account, sign in with the email I have given for the internship. Okay, that's right. But now when I am creating, why you are creating another Google account? I want a clarity there. You have already completed with the same email, right? Why you are creating Google Skill Boost? Okay. Why you are creating another account? But now when I'm creating, are you talking about the login of your account? Can you be more specific of your query? But now when I'm creating account, Google account, it's, can you go to the queries you have asked? You are saying that I have done three activities. आपने थ्री एक्टिविटीज किया है, जो भी मेल आप इस इंटर्नशिप को दिया है वो मेल से किया है. बट नाउ आई एम क्रिएटिंग गूगल अकाउंट. आप कर चुके हो ना, अकाउंट क्रिएट करके तीन एक्टिविटी कर चुके हो, और फिर से क्यों अकाउंट क्रिएट करना चाहते हो? वो समझ में नहीं आया. कैन यू कंफर्म मी व्हाट इज योर एक्चुअल क्वेरी देयर? You are saying that you have created an account and you have completed three activities there. And you are saying that again you have created. I have not created an account, but by now just signed in. Yeah, that's if you are signed in, that's more than enough. Okay, no need of creating account. For the one who haven't created the account from the beginning, at the beginning, for them I am saying, okay, you have login directly login with the Google also. Fine, sir. Please tell me who are new. Please tell me, tell her. Please tell us who are new. Okay, I don't know who are new, but okay. Are you talking about the okay Google Skill Boost? Okay, let me share my screen. It has already passed 20 minutes, 30 minutes. Okay, no worries. For me, it has passed 30 minutes because I have started the session at exactly 5:50. Okay, first search for Google, Google Skill Boost. I want everyone who are new to the session, everyone search for Google Skill Boost. The same mail, okay, same website link I'll be sharing you in the Q&A session also, no worries. I have dropped it there, Control V, enter. Skill Boost means, yeah, click on this Skill Boost, then okay. Click on Google Skill Boost. Then after clicking on Google Skill Boost, click on Sign In. The one who are new to session, just create your account here. Okay. You can sign in directly with the Google. That's not a process. But if you are following this is the best practice. Whenever you are trying to log in the same account in some others laptop, in some other device, you can log in it easily. So create your account here, give your details, first name, last name, all of this. After that, get back here and click on sign in. Create your account. Okay. Complete this process and get back. Okay. The one who are new to the session, I was not able to attend the classes, so recorded lectures is available. Yeah, recording session, guys. I've already contacted the team. They will be sharing you everything. As you know, multiple sections are going now. Gen AI, Google is going on, or BI is going on, AML is also going on. They are working on sessions. Okay, please explain the prompt designing with. Okay, I'll be explaining. No worry, no worry. Just give me a time. Some of your friends are new to the session. That was they need to create an account. Then we'll be going to that. Okay. Fourth activity. Can you provide? Yeah, Shreya. That what I have repeated. I have already contacted the team. They will be get back to you. Okay? They'll be sharing. If the recordings regarding the recordings, no worries. I've already contacted the team. They will be sharing you. Okay. Okay. Just once again, I have given you the link. Shreya, Shivam, I want you all to create an skill boost account. This is mandatory for now. आपको ये करना है पहले. वो रिकॉर्डिंग सब बाद में देखेंगे. पहले ये एक बार करो प्लीज. आज का सेशन देखो. फिर जो हो गया तो हो गया. फर्स्ट आपको गूगल स्किल बूस्ट को सर्च करना है. या फिर मैंने डायरेक्ट लिंक दे दिया है आपको Q&A सेशन में. आप वो देख सकते हो. मैंने लिंक दे दिया डायरेक्ट. ये लिंक भी प्रेस कर करेंगे तो इधर ही आ जाएंगे. उसके बाद साइन इन पे क्लिक करिए. इसके बाद क्रिएट अकाउंट पे क्लिक करिए. साइन इन मत करिए. साइन इन डायरेक्टली विद द गूगल नहीं करिए. ओके. आपका अकाउंट क्रिएट करिए. उसके बाद वो अकाउंट का पासवर्ड देंगे. उसके बाद साइन इन इंस्टेड में जाके सॉरी सॉरी क्रिएट अकाउंट. आप वो डिटेल्स फिल करने के बाद क्रिएट अकाउंट में क्लिक करेंगे. एज ऑफ नाउ आई एम नॉट क्रिएटिंग अकाउंट, सो आई एम गोइंग टू साइन इन इंस्टेड. इधर मैंने अकाउंट नहीं क्रिएट कर रहा हूँ, इसलिए मैं साइन इन इंस्टेड पे जा रहा हूँ. ओके. आप अकाउंट क्रिएट करना है. आपका डिटेल्स फिल करना है. उसके बाद अकाउंट क्रिएट करना है. उसके बाद आप डायरेक्टली ये पेज में आ जाओगे. ईमेल और पासवर्ड पासवर्ड दे के लॉग इन करो. इस ये स्टेप्स. नो नीड टू कंफ्यूज. क्रिएट अकाउंट, then same account, then click on create account button, then get back. If you are clicking on create account button, you will be redirected to this specific page. View your details and click on sign in. Create account, sign in account. That's it. Okay. Am I clear with the steps? Sir, company में student का. Yeah, company में student या कर सकते हैं. Please create your account, guys, and get back to you, Shreya, Shivam, and Sudhanshu. Okay. Sir, मैंने डायरेक्ट गूगल से लॉगिन किया तो हाउ टू एक्टिविटीज भी कंप्लीट करा. Okay, if you have okay, you have create directly from the Google. No worries, no worries. बाद में भी पासवर्ड क्रिएट कर सकते हो. नो वरीज. जब गूगल से डायरेक्ट लॉगिन किया है, बाद में भी पासवर्ड क्रिएट कर सकते हो. नो वरीज. Job, sir, what we have to do after login? Okay, I want a response from everyone. One of your friend have completed. Shreya, Shivam, Sudhanshu. Yes, I need a response from you all. Did you complete or not? Okay. Yeah. This thank you for your responses. Just give me a minute. Some of your friends are still stuck. Just give me one more minute for that. Sir, have completed till second course. Yeah. Happy. Okay, no worries. I'll be explaining that. No worries. After second course, you need to complete the third course also. Those are not course, guys. Those are activities. I'll explain them detailedly. What are course, what are activities, what are learning path, what are labs. Okay, so that you can spell them correctly. I can understand them easily. Okay, just wait a minute. One of your time is still behind. Sir, by mistake, I have taken another learning path. Introduction to Gen AI labs with Gemini on Google Cloud. Okay, introduction to. Okay, no worries, no worries. You can intermediate. Okay, it is intermediate. First, complete the beginner lab first, then we can go to the intermediate. Okay, first lab is completed. Okay, okay, fine. That's great. If you have completed, that's great. Some of some of your friends haven't completed yet. Because of that, I'm explaining them detailedly. Please start the lab. Yes, just give me a minute, guys. What we have to do next? I have also to. Okay, okay. Thank you for your response, guys. After signing up, sign in the Google. It's very slow. Sign in with Google. Okay. Just give me a minute. Okay, now what is? Let me share the link. Okay, you have 35 credits as well that will be expired. Okay, you have 30 minutes to use them. Select okay, no need of them. Hmm. Let me share the learning path link. Please search for this learning path, guys. Direct, you can click on this link or you can search for this particular learning path. Okay, लिंक पे क्लिक कर सकते हैं या फिर ये लर्निंग पाथ पे सर्च करो. No, no, no. This is the internship about the labs. First, if you are understanding about the labs, then you can work on the projects. Later on, we'll be working on Gen AI projects on Google. That is the main part of the internship. These labs are important, guys. Don't take them very seriously because you are going to get a free access of Google Cloud. Google Cloud is a paid access, guys. Pay as you go, but you are getting a free access there. See, if you see here, okay. I hope you have clicked on the all of you have clicked on the link. After that, you can see that we have 5 activities. 5 activities. First 3 activities are going to be labs. Okay, let's note down because this is First 1 to 3 activities are going to be videos. Sorry. 1 to 3 are going to be videos on introduction to Gen AI, what is a generative, what is a discriminating model. You're going to videos and quiz. Okay. Fourth, fourth activity is going to be PPT. Electronics. Fourth activity is going to be your labs. In lab, what you are going to have, we are going to have a temporary access to your temporary access to Google, let's say GCP, that would be simple. GCP, Google Cloud Platform. As Amazon has own AWS platform, Amazon Web Services, here also Google have GCP, their own platform. Okay. After this, let me close this. If I resume my learning path, if you check here, I am at the fourth lab. Okay, fourth activity. This is called activity. These are called labs. Okay, am I clear with that? Okay, I have clear. I think I have completed my first lab there. In one another account, I have my first lab to complete. Okay, I'll be opening that account then. Okay, Google Skill Boost. Google Skill Boost. Sign in. Continue as with. Okay. आपको 5 एक्टिविटीज कंप्लीट करना है ये लर्निंग पाथ कंप्लीट करने के लिए लर्निंग कार्ड कंप्लीट करने के लिए आपको 5 एक्टिविटीज कंप्लीट करना है पहला 3 एक्टिविटीज में वीडियोस और क्विज रहेगा आपको वो कंप्लीट करना है फोर्थ एक्टिविटी में आपको ये लैब्स रहेंगे ओके सर लैब्स को कैसे ओके आफ्टर दैट आपको पहले 3 एक्टिविटीज इफ यू हैव कंप्लीटेड फर्स्ट 3 एक्टिविटीज यू कैन वर्क विथ मी गाइस आप पहले 3 एक्टिविटीज कर चुके हो तो आप मेरे साथ वर्क कर सकते हो ओके if you haven't completed the first 3 activities no worries just listen to me now if you are okay if आप पहले 3 एक्टिविटीज नहीं कंप्लीट किया तो पहले ये सुनो इसके बाद कर सकते हो लैब कर वो पहले 3 एक्टिविटीज मत कुछ भी नहीं रहेंगे आपको वीडियो सुनना है उसके बाद क्विज रहेगा वीडियो ध्यान से सुनो उसके बाद ही आप क्विज कंप्लीट कर सकते हो ओके I hope you got a clarity with the learning path. Totally, you need to complete 5 activities. In them, first 3 activities are going to be lab, and fourth activity is going to be first 3 are going to be videos. First 3 activities are going to be videos. First 3 activities are going to be videos. Then fourth activity is going to be lab. In our lab, you are going to get temporary GCP access. Okay, let's go and start the lab then. Then first you need to Read the lab carefully, then only you can complete this lab. Most of you, some of you have completed that, all the labs. Great. How they have completed? They have read this carefully and they have understood. Okay. Here, this is a lab exploring generative AI. He is saying that we are going to explore prompt engineering with best practice. Yeah, we are going to understand the prompt engineering in this lab. He says this. Gemini AI Gemini AI is a family of powerful generative AI models developed by Google DeepMind. Yeah, this Gemini is developed by Google. In Gemini, we basically have two types of Gemini Pro and Gemini Flash. Flash version. Okay, before starting the lab, you should be familiar with this. Okay, पाइथन आपको आना चाहिए, आपको एपीआई कॉन्सेप्ट आना चाहिए। एपीआई कुछ भी नहीं होता है गाइस। जब आप होटल के जाते हो, आप डायरेक्टली शेफ को नहीं बोलते हो। पहले आप वेटर को बोलते हो, उसके बाद शेफ को बोलेगा वो, और आपका डिश रेडी होकर आपका पास आ जाएगा। सेम वे एपीआई, आपको कुछ भी डेटा चाहिए या कोड चाहिए, आप एपीआई को पूछोगे फर्स्ट, उसके बाद वो सर्वर और एलएलएम के पास जाके वो डेटा लाके हमको देगा। वो ये एपीआई, वो सर्वे वो सर्वर जैसा वर्क वर्क करता है। उसके बाद ये सब the lab you will learn. In this lab, what are the objectives you are going to learn? No worries, those objectives are many steps. First, you need to understand this. जब भी आप लैब ओपन करते हो, ये समझना कि दिस इंस्ट्रक्शन लैब्स आर प्राइमरी एज ओके। आप जब भी ये स्टार्ट बटन दबाते हो, स्टार्ट, आप इसको पॉज नहीं कर सकते हो। मिडिल स्टार्ट कर सकते हो या एंड कर सकते हो, ये टाइम को रोक नहीं सकते हो। इसके लिए उसके बाद the hands on the lab let you do the laboratory. Yeah, you are going to get an environment. आपको एक environment मिलेगा, रियल क्लाउड एनवायरनमेंट मिलेगा। ये हमको टेम्पररी जीसीपी एक्सेस देगा। इफ यू क्लिक ऑन दिस, यू नीड टू ओपन इट इन द न्यू टैब। ये आपको टेम्पररी एक्सेस देगा। गूगल क्लाउड कंसोल, ये गूगल क्लाउड कंसोल, इफ यू सर्च हियर इन द फॉर गूगल क्लाउड कंसोल, गूगल क्लाउड कंसोल, ये पेमेंट है। यहाँ इसमें रजिस्टर करना चाहते हो या लॉगिन करना चाहते हो, आपको पेमेंट देना है। पर ये इधर आप सारा वो गूगल आप क्लाउड में डिप्लॉय करना चाहते हो ना, आपका एप्लीकेशन से क्लाउड सर्विसेज, कंप्यूटिंग सर्विसेज, ये सब सर्विसेज देगा गूगल गूगल क्लाउड प्लेटफॉर्म। या ये सब करने के लिए, ये सब यूज करने के लिए आपको पेमेंट करना है। पर इधर आपको फ्री में टेम्पररी एक्सेस देगा ये लैब कंप्लीट करने के लिए। ये लैब में आप प्रॉम्प्ट इंजीनियरिंग सीख सकते हो। Clear with that, guys? In this lab, you are going to learn prompt engineering. You are going to get a temporary access. Why temporary access? To run this particular code, you need a GCP account. For getting a GCP account, you need a payment. So, to not give any payment, so Google has given a temporary access. आपको payment, you cannot pay. If you want to learn, most of the students does not have money to pay, right? For them, Google has given temporary access. Am I clear with that, guys? Learning path is complete कर लिया है, सार labs नहीं कर पा रहा हूँ। Okay, okay, man, no worries. I'll explain it. Please go ahead. Okay, no worries. सर second lab के बारे में बताओ। Second lab, second. Are you talking about second activity? Sir, I can't access the chat option in the webinar. No, then we don't have a chat access for now. I've already talked to the team. Second lab, Second lab, okay. You are talking about the second lab. This second lab, okay. No worries. We'll be discussing about it. Okay, no worries. Okay, after clicking on start, you are going to get a temporary access. Then, what is in access the standard internet browser? आपको क्रोम में ओपन सकते हो या माइक्रोसॉफ्ट एज में भी ओपन कर सकते हो. यूज द incognito mode private browser window to learn the labs. The private conflict between the personal. Yeah, what is he saying here? You need to open it in a incognito mode. Why an incognito mode? It will keep your data private. Yeah, whatever application you are opening there, it is going to be in private. Why we need to keep it in a private? Because कोई भी कोई कोई let's say someone has an Google Cloud account to not overlap those accounts details, we are opening in an incognito mode. Am I clear with that? Why we are opening with an incognito mode? समझो कि कोई किसी को गूगल क्लाउड कंसोल है, वो फिर भी ये फ्री में लर्न करना चाहता है, इसलिए वी आर ओपनिंग इन एक इनकॉग्निटिव मोड. वो दोनों अकाउंट को ओवरलैप नहीं कर सकते, राइट. जो भी कोड आप इधर रन करने हो उसको पेमेंट लगेगा. जो पेमेंट वो जो पेमेंट हो रहा है वो आपका पर्सनल अकाउंट माने गूगल क्लाउड अकाउंट. इफ यू हैव गूगल क्लाउड कंसोल अकाउंट, बिफोर आई हैव शोड यू गूगल क्लाउड कंसोल, राइट. वो अकाउंट हो तो उसमें चार्जेस नहीं गिनने के लिए हम इनकॉग्निटिव मोड में ओपन कर रहे हैं. सर आफ्टर स्टार्टिंग द लैब डू वी हैव टू राइट क्लिक? नो. या आफ्टर स्टार्टिंग द लैब come to here, just right click on it, then you can see open link in incognito window, or if you are in a edge browser you can see open in private window. These are all you can see. Sir, can you tell me what can I do to learn deep learning and Gen AI, because I want to learn making LLM to learn making LLM. I know machine learning. Okay, if you know machine learning, that's great. So deep learning. Okay, regarding the deep learning, you can go with Krishna XR. Krishna XR is great. On YouTube, you can go with Krishna XR. Regarding Gen AI, I am teaching already Gen AI here. In the previous session, I have already taught most of your friends. No worries regarding the recordings. Once again, I will be sharing you the recordings of the previous session. You can go to them. You can know a knowledge of Gen AI. But building an LLM, it's a huge task. You cannot build an LLM on your computer or anywhere right now. Okay, it need a for building a ChatGPT base model only has to $40 million. You can understand that. Okay, sir, after starting the lab, yeah, you need to just point your cursor here. जस्ट आपको कर्सर को इधर लाना है, इसके बाद राइट क्लिक मार, उसके बाद ओपन इन न्यू टैब आएगा, उसको ओपन करना है. यूज ओनली स्टूडेंट अकाउंट, या ये स्टूडेंट अकाउंट है, यही यूज करने के लिए बोल रहा है. Are you got with the clarity guys? What is student account and what is your account? ये स्टूडेंट अकाउंट है, आपको ये स्टूडेंट अकाउंट में ही एक्सेस करना है. यूर अकाउंट माने जब भी आप गूगल कंसोल में अकाउंट क्लियर कर रहे हो, वो आपका अकाउंट है. ओके, ये और ये सेम ही है, बट आपको टेम्पररी एक्सेस मिलेगा. इसको आपको नहीं क्रिएट करना है, इसको आपको नहीं क्रिएट करना है. एम आई क्लियर विद दैट गाइस? टेम्पररी अकाउंट क्या है और स्टूडेंट अकाउंट क्या है और तुम्हारा अकाउंट क्या है, आपको समझ में आया ना? Yes, guys, I need a response. Just give me a thumbs up reaction. Thumbs up here, there. Bus. Okay. No need to chat yes sir every time. Okay. Okay. Thank you for your responses. Let's continue then. I have opened it in an incognito mode then. Okay. Let me open it in incognito mode. Then just click on understand. I understand. After that, you should accept their terms and conditions. These are all the things you need to do. This is our console. Whenever you are reading the answer, this is the thing you are going to see. After that, if you scroll down, if you are facing an issue, you can go to this. He's saying that if necessary, copy the username if necessary. Mostly, you will be logged in. If you are not logged in, you can use these details and log in again. He's saying that. Important, you must use the credentials. Yeah, these credentials only you need to use. That's what you use. Using your own credential yeah, what I have told you. If you are using console account, you are going to get charges. That is what he repeats again. Click through sublet page. Accept the terminate condition. Yeah, have done those are all things. Terms and condition को भी accept किया. उसके बाद क्या करना है? उस उसके बाद क्या करना है कि आपको ये नेविगेशन मेनू में जाना है. उसके बाद नेविगेशन मेनू के जाके वर्टेक्स एआई पे क्लिक करना है. तो नेविगेशन मेनू, वर्टेक्स एआई, ये सब तो हो गया. उसके बाद वर्क बेंच पे जाना है. वर्क बेंच, या हियर इट इज वर्क बेंच. Let it take some time. Okay. If you are working with me, guys. Okay. Regarding the timings, guys, I'm once again repeating you. Please join the session exact before 16. Okay. So that you are not missing anything. Okay. Up till here, everything is clear, right, guys? मैंने मैंने लैब को स्टार्ट किया है, उसको इनकॉग्निटिव मोड में ओपन किया है. उसके बाद ओके, वो स्टेप्स भी मैं इधर रखूंगा क्योंकि मोस्ट ऑफ द स्टूडेंट्स को कंफ्यूज हो रहा है. ओके. क्लिक ऑन स्टार्ट लैब्स, then click on then go to if you are placing your cursor there, go to open console in Google Cloud Console. Google Cloud console पे आके C console console पे आके राइट क्लिक मारना है. राइट, then right click on it, right click on it. उसके बाद open in इनकॉग्निटिव क्लिक करना है. इनकॉग्निटिव विंडो क्लिक ओपन करना है. विंडो. ओके. इनकॉग्निटिव जस्ट इनकॉग्निटिव इनकॉग्निटिव टैब को ओपन करो। उसके बाद इनकॉग्निटिव और प्राइवेट बेस्ड ऑन योर व्हाट आर द ब्राउजर यू आर यूजिंग, बेस्ड ऑन दैट यू आर गोइंग प्राइवेट भी चूज। इसमें तो प्राइवेट आएगा, विंडोज में उसमें इनकॉग्निटिव आएगा। उसके बाद टर्म्स एंड कंडीशन को एक्सेप्ट करो। उसके टर्म्स एंड कंडीशंस को एक्सेप्ट करो। कंडीशंस को एक्सेप्ट करो। एक्सेप्ट 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 टर्म्स एंड कंडीशंस। उसके बाद क्या करना है, वर्टेक्स, ये रीड लाइन्स में सर्च करना है। क्लिक ऑन स्लाइस, क्लिक ऑन नेविगेशन मेनू, नेविगेशन मेनू, click on navigation menu, then click on navigation menu, click on vertex AI। उसके बाद click on workbench, whereas workbench। ओके, ये सब किया आपने अब तक, ये सब किए कर चुके हो। उसके बाद क्या करना है, appeal here everything is clear or not guys, incognito windows are okay, thank you for spelling it okay। ओके, उसके बाद इधर आपको एक ऑप्शन दिखेगा, एवरी स्टेप। इधर एवरी स्टेप इधर है, वर्टेक्स एआई जुपिटर नोट। उसके बाद ओपन लैब, इसको मारना है इधर, इस पे क्लिक करना है, आपका जुपिटर नोटबुक ओपन हो जाएगा। इनकॉग्निटो हो गया, इनकॉग्निटो हो गया। लेट्स गो, इस पे भी क्लिक कर दिया। बोल रहा है कि if you don't use notebook please follow the additional steps, close the browser if you are unable to see the notebook, mostly you will see। जब भी आपको ब्राउजर वो नोटबुक नहीं दिख रहा है, ये स्टेप्स करना है। उसके बाद क्या करना है, सेट अप द नोटबुक। आपको सेट अप द नोटबुक प्रोसेस पे आ जाना है। नोटबुक को सेटअप करने के लिए इसको डबल टैप करो। ये स्टेप्स, सारे स्टेप्स लिख रहा हूँ। वर्कबेंच पे आ गए, उसके बाद क्या करें, क्लिक ऑन ओपन Jupyter notebook, I think so। Jupyter, okay, notebook, open Jupyter notebook, okay, Jupyter lab it is। I've clicked on open Jupyter lab। तो उसके बाद ये कौन सा नाम है, उसके बाद इंट्रो प्रॉम्प्ट इंजीनियरिंग डिजाइन पर ओपन किया, ओपन द फाइल, कंट्रोल सी, वो फाइल को ओपन कर चुके हैं आप, कंट्रोल डी, कंट्रोल डी, कंट्रोल कॉपी, कंट्रोल बी, ओके। ओके या उसके बाद हमको यही सेलेक्ट करके छोड़ देना है लेटर। ओके, उसके बाद आप इधर भी देख सकते हो, ओवरव्यू है। इधर हम प्रॉम्प्ट डिजाइनिंग सीखने आए हैं। ये सब वही बोलेगा, बी कंफ्यूज, ये सब स्टेप्स। ओके, here you came to learn the prompt designing. If you are understanding these three functions, these three, if you are understanding these three concepts, you can design a detailed prompt. For that, okay, before that, you need to install some libraries. See, we have clicked on that. Here you are saying that install package and import package. Let's open that. This is the package. Install it. If star mark means it is still running, yeah, it has run. Then import libraries. Okay, import and installing and importing is done. If you see, it's showing a 0. If I click on check my progress, it will show a 10. It's shown a tick mark because we have completed those steps there. After that, what is the next step we need to follow? Prompt engineering best practice. You need to now learn prompt engineering. Am I clear with that, guys? I need a response from everyone. I hope you have got Jupyter आप कैसा open कर करें, सर गूगल क्लाउड कैसा ओपन करें? वेरी क्लियर, थैंक यू। जुपिटर लैब इधर ऑप्शन है ओपन करने के लिए, नो वरीज, आई विल शो यू वंस अगेन। वर्कबेंच पे आने के बाद इधर ऑप्शन है, सी, ओपन जुपिटर लैब। इफ यू सी, देयर इज अ बटन, दिस इज द बटन। इफ यू क्लिक ऑन दिस जुपिटर लैब इज ओपन। लाइब्रेरीज को इंस्टॉल किया, लाइब्रेरीज को इंपोर्ट किया, उसके बाद क्या करना है? सॉरी, प्रोजेक्ट आईडी को चेंज करना है। इधर प्रोजेक्ट आईडी, वेयर इज द प्रोजेक्ट आईडी, चेक देयर। आपको ये प्रोजेक्ट, इधर प्रोजेक्ट आईडी भी मिलेगा जब आप चेक कर रहे हो। सी, प्रोजेक्ट आईडी कॉपी एंड पेस्ट आईडी, project ID is being pasted, same project ID will be here. Okay, no worries. If wanted also you can paste it here, mostly no, if not paste it here. No need to paste. Okay, here say, here if you see US East 1, mostly will be the, yeah, US East 1. I think mostly the US East 1 is going to be Los Angeles. Okay, Los, no, project ID has been given, location is also done. We are saying that my, this is my project ID. In this location only I want to deploy my project. Okay. After that, we are using Flash 2.5, which is a very latest model. Okay. Prompt engineering is also about how to design your prompt. So the response is what you indeed hopes. Yeah, whenever you need a very detailed response, you need to first give a detailed prompt to the LLM. That is a prompt engineering. Why we got a huge, why we got a huge demand for the prompt engineering right now? Because In the less concept only, we need a out less concept, less input details. What are the input tokens? These are the, in the less tokens only, we need a detailed output without wasting our money. जब आपको चार्ट जीपीटी चाहिए, अब हमको फ्री है, बट ऑर्गेनाइजेशन को वो उनको पे करना चाहिए, इसलिए प्रॉम्प्ट इंजीनियर को हायर करेंगे। वो लेस लाइंस में प्रॉम्प्ट देगा और लेस लाइंस में जनरेट करने को बोलेगा। नो नीड टू वरी अबाउट टोकन्स, नो लाइंस टोकन्स, वर्ड वर्ड्स आर टोकन्स, लेस वर्ड्स में टोकन्स करेगा, जनरेट को करने को बोलेगा, वो सब प्रॉम्प्ट इंजीनियर। नॉट रिकमेंडेड प्रॉम्प्ट, इफ यू सी एवरीथिंग हैज बी conceived. First, you need to understand these concepts. Not recommended prompt. Let's see why it is a non-recommended prompt. What do you think could be a good name for the flower shop to specify the selling bouquets? Yeah, this is just a huge prompt here. If you go to this is a huge prompt. Here, our token size is increasing. Our LLM cost also increases. If you run this, we need to run this. First, you need to run the non-recommended prompt. Okay, right things. Okay. Has given some response. The same response also be generated by this simple prompt. Suggest a name for the flower shop selling the okay for the right flower of the right. That is what console is about. Same prompt, simply we have given in simple English language. It has run same. Okay, will give us names, some names. Okay. After that, if you check the be console, I have run that. I have run the code, right? If I check here, check progress. See, my progress is also completed. Okay, let's check progress here also. Okay, no worries. It will be displaying when there is no work. Here you got a tick mark. Like later on, you will get marks also. In the same way, you need to complete. Yeah, 20 has come. We have got 20. Same way, we have to complete all this. Okay, am I clear with that? How to complete all this? If you are running all these cells, if you are running all these cells, then everything will be completed. Shift enter, shift enter, shift enter, shift enter. Yeah, everything will be done. If you check back here, am I clear with that, guys? Sir, after opening Jupyter notebook, क्या कर रहे? Jupyter notebook open करने के बाद ये स्टेप देखो. Jupyter notebook ओपन करने के बाद ये क्या करने का बोल रहा है? Jupyter notebook ओपन करने के बाद आपको ये पर्टिकुलर नोटबुक ओपन करना है. इंट्रो प्रॉम्प्ट डिजाइनिंग. ये नोटबुक ओपन करो, फाइल या नोटबुक कुछ भी बोल सकते हो. ये फाइल को ओपन करो, इंट्रो प्रॉम्प्ट डिजाइनिंग वाले फाइल को ओपन करो. ये इंट्रो प्रॉम्प्ट डिजाइनिंग किधर मिलेगा? इधर ही मिलेगा. इसको डबल टैप करो. उसके बाद ये सब जैसा है वैसा ही रखो. उसके बाद प्रोजेक्ट आईडी चेंज करो, उसके बाद लोकेशन ड्रॉप करो. Am I clear with that, Shivam? I hope your query is solved. Yes, guys. If you have any more queries, please let me know. Yes, guys. The concept is clear or not? आपको लैब समझ में आया कि नहीं? I have done. Okay. Yes, guys. Up till here, everything is clear, right, guys? Okay. Okay. Thank you for your response, ma'am. I want a response from everyone, guys. Okay. Thank you. Thank you for your responses. Okay. Later on, if I check my progress also, प्लीज गो टू द एवरी सेल डिटेलली. ओके, आपको एवरी सेल में डिटेल में जाना है. इफ आई चेक माई एवरी प्रोग्रेस राइट नाउ, सिंपली आई चेक इट हियर. Check my progress, check my progress, check my progress, check my progress, check my progress. Okay, where is? If you run those all cells, your lab will be completed, guys. No need to worry. 50 marks. Check my progress. 80% of the lab is completed. It will update over this. Total 100% is completed. If you are running the server, your lab will complete. Lab last tested on June 23rd, 2025. Yeah, it is the latest update, guys. We check this here. This guy, now, do you want to create an application? Sorry, do you want to create your own chatbot? I need a response from everyone. Yes. Up till here, everything is clear, right, guys? Yes. Can you respond me in the Q&A section or just give me a thumbs up reaction? Up till here, everything is clear. Yes or no? Okay, someone has a doubt to how to run the cell. Okay, no worries. To run the specific cell, let me show you once again. Okay, share my screen, share entire screen. Let's open the lab once again. To run the entire cell, let me open a particular cell right now. Choose, yeah, आपको सेल के अंदर क्लिक करना है, उसके बाद शिफ्ट एंटर। एम आई क्लियर विद इट? सेल के पास जाओ, सेल को क्लिक करो, शिफ्ट एंटर। सेल को ओपन करो, सेल के ऊपर, सेल सॉरी, सेल के ऊपर क्लिक करो, उसके बाद शिफ्ट एंटर। एम आई क्लियर विद दैट? दिस इज हाउ यू नीड टू रन दैट। शिफ्ट एंटर। एंटर करे तो एंटर करे तो नेक्स्ट लाइन में आएगा, शिफ्ट एंटर मारेगा तो वो सेल रन होगा। ओके, आई होप आई एम क्लियर विद द लैब गाइस. Most of them has clarity now. Let's continue. Do you want to create an own chatbot, guys? Do you want to create an own chatbot? Your own chatbot? Yes or no? Just give me a thumbs up reaction. If you want to create your own, sir, please overall repeat कर दीजिए. Okay, I'll give you a small recap. No worries, someone. Um, uh, okay, just I will give you a small recap about it. Share my screen once again. Share entire screen. Share. उसके बाद जो भी हैंड्स रेस कर रहे हो वो कुछ भी क्वेश्चन है वो Q&A में पूछ कर सकते हैं. शिवराज, शिवम, शिवम राज and Kushi, if you have any queries, I am. If you have any queries, you can drop it in the Q&A session. No need to raise your hands. Okay. If you are continuing to raise your hands, I get a clarity that you want to talk to me, and I'll be giving you the mic access. Okay. If you want to talk to me, just continue your hand raise. I will be giving you the mic access. Okay. Let's go through this once again detailedly. And the lab, and the lab. मेरे के charges थे. This is the final time. Listen to this carefully. इतने बार मैं लर्न कर रहा हूँ तो वो मुझको charges भी मारेगा. So, okay, just give me a minute, guys. Okay. First, you need to click on Start Labs. Lab open. वो लैब स्टार्ट हो, उसको लैब को ओपन करने के लिए इसके ऊपर आ जाओ, उसके बाद राइट क्लिक मारो, उसके बाद ओपन इन इनकॉग्निटिव मोड मारो. इसको मारने के बाद आई अंडरस्टूड मारो. इसको भी करने के बाद टर्म्स एंड टर्म्स को भी एक्सेप्ट करो. उसके बाद ये ऑटोमेटिकली भी खुला होगा नेविगेशन मेनू. उसके बाद वर्टेक्स एआई को आ जाओ. वर्टेक्स एआई के पास आने जाने के लिए ओके, वर्टेक्स आ गया के बाद वर्क बेंच. वर्क बेंच के हमारा वर्क बेंच पे हमारा जुपिटर लैब होगा. ये ओपन करना है आपको, जुपिटर लैब. जुपिटर लैब ओपन करने के बाद ओके, ट्विटर लैब खुल गया। इसके बाद इंट्रो टू प्रॉम्प्ट इंजीनियरिंग जो है, उसके बाद उसके ऊपर डबल टैप करना है। ये जो है वैसे ही रखो, सेलेक्ट करो। उसके बाद आपको ये रन करना है। शिफ्ट एंटर, शिफ्ट एंटर, शिफ्ट एंटर, शिफ्ट एंटर। अब ये प्रोजेक्ट आईडी चेंज करना है। प्रोजेक्ट आईडी किधर है? इधर है प्रोजेक्ट आईडी। इधर कॉपी करो, इधर पेस्ट करो। उसके बाद इधर भी चेंज करो, QS ईस्ट टू 1। उसके बाद सब लाइन्स रन करो, देख के रन करो, समझो ये सब क्या है। उसके बाद डिटेल एक्सप्लेनेशन दिया है इधर, how to improve your prompt engineering, everything is given here detailedly. Just go through that. If you are understanding this lab is complete. Let me close it. Yeah, Aman, are you clear now? Just respond me in the Q&A session. Yes, Aman. Are you clear with the query from where you are live today? Live, sir. Okay, thank you. Okay. Are you asking where I am from? Thanks. Okay. Thank you, guys. Thank you for your response. Yeah, I am from Hyderabad. Hyderabad, Telangana. I know, I think you know Hyderabad biryani, SRH. These are all. Yeah, I am from there, Hyderabad. Okay. Still, some people are raising their hand. I think they need mic access. Okay, let's give them mic access. Okay, fine. You can talk to me now if you are facing an issue. Yeah, fine. Yeah. आपको बात ये नहीं कर सकते. Yeah, fine. Do you have any issue? Fine, I'm unable to hear you. Yeah.
Sir, I voice does not clear.
What was it?
Sir, your voice does not clear.
My voice is not clear. Is it clear now?
Okay. Yes, yes.
Yeah. Thank you. For time of okay. For that you have raised me your hand. Okay. No problem. You can respond. Just drop it in the Q&A session. I will be seeing that. Okay. No need to
Okay.
raise your hand for that. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Thank you, fam. इसके लिए रेस नहीं करना चाहिए guys. Okay. Just drop your hand for now, fam. I hope you are also having the same issues. Okay. Let's give for Kushi also. Okay. Don't waste my time, guys, by raising your hand because when I am seeing this raising your hands, I will get some doubt that you are having some issues. Okay. No need to raise your hands. You can drop it in your Q&A session. I'll be going through that. You will not. Okay. For now, I'm lowering all the hands. Don't raise your hands, guys. It is a disturbance for me. Okay. Let's create our own chatbot. For that, we need to access an LLM model. Where we can access an LLM model, guys? I need a response from everyone. Where we can access a free LLM model. In the past class, we have discussed about some websites, right? Sorry, your Hindi is good. Okay, thank you. Thank you, guys. Google AI Studio. That's great. That's great. I don't know. I don't know. I am from Hyderabad. Mostly in the whole city, they speak Hindi. I understand Hindi, but speaking Hindi, that's not great. My Hindi is a little bit broke. So okay. Olama, that's good. That's good. Olama also you can access. But for now, we are going to use Google because this is in Google AI Cloud. Yeah. Sir, I have joined the Google Cloud Generative through Smart Indians portal, and there are some group projects. Sir, could you please tell me when and how to come? Regarding the group projects, guys, no need to worry. You are going to get the group project at the end of the session. Okay. First, try to complete the learning part. Okay. Am I clear? Akash? Okay. Okay. Thank you, guys. No need to worry regarding the projects. You are going to get them at the end of the session, Akash. Yeah, thank you. Thank you for your response. Let's build our application now. Here we can access our API key. Everyone, I want you to open a Google AI Studio now. Go to Google, search for Google AI Studio and click on sign in. Okay. Go to Google. Whenever you are new to Google AI Studio, let me open that, then you can understand. Oh, Google AI Studio. Whenever you are new to Google AI Studio, it will try to ask something. Just said, okay, it is already logged in here. First, create an account so that we can create an chatbot now. Are you interested to create your own chatbot, guys? Please respond me. Okay. Yes. Okay. Thank you for your response. Yes, please. Okay. Yeah. Okay. 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 Just go to Google, search for Google AI Studio, then click on this specific link. This link also will be shared in the chat box. Okay, just copy. There is a copy option. Where is it? Can we get directly there? Okay, let me copy this. Control C. Open Google AI Studio. I hope you have created Google AI Studio right now. Then go for documentation. आपको गूगल ओएस स्टूडियो ओपन करने के बाद डॉक्यूमेंटेशन में आ जाओ. ये आप जावास्क्रिप्ट पे क्रिएट कर सकते हैं, जावा पे क्रिएट कर सकते हैं, पर आप हम अब पाइथन ही यूज करेंगे क्योंकि पाइथन जो है वो डेटा साइंटिस्ट के लिए ही बना है. डेटा साइंटिस्ट के लिए वो बहुत यूजफुल है. वॉट एवर द रिक्वायर्ड लाइब्रेरीज फॉर ए डेटा साइंटिस्ट लाइक PyTorch, other all libraries are available in Python. Those outdated version, those are all available in Python. So we are using Python. So till now only I have completed introduction to Gemini for Google Cloud. Okay. Are you talking about the beginners introduction to GenAI? If you have completed that, great. If you have not completed that, no worries. I will be explaining you. No problem. Okay, Pakar. Later on, we have some more introduction and advanced class also. Regarding that, I will be giving you. Okay. I hope you have create. I hope you are in the documentation now. गूगल जेने स्टूडियो के अंदर आने के बाद डॉक्यूमेंटेशन को जाओ. ओके, थैंक यू फॉर योर रिस्पॉन्स. आफ्टर दैट एक कोड को कॉपी करो. ओवरव्यू, नो नो नो, क्विक स्टार्ट पे आ जाओ. ये डॉक्यूमेंटेशन को आने के बाद क्विक स्टार्ट पे आ जाओ. ओके, आप ओवरव्यू में होंगे, क्विक स्टार्ट पे आ जाओ. इसके बाद आप क्या करना है कि सर्च फॉर गूगल कोलैब. व्हाट इज अ गूगल कोलैब? इट इज बेसिकली एन how a VS Code is same in Google Colab for running your code, and you can say interpreter or compiler. Let's say I'll create a new notebook for now. I will say I will write it as chatbot for now. ChatGPT chat, bot, chatbot. अब तक हमने कुछ भी नहीं किया है. मैंने गूगल एआई स्टूडियो को सर्च किया है, उसके बाद पहले लिंक पे टैप किया है, इसके बाद मैं डॉक्यूमेंटेशन को गया हूँ. इधर है डॉक्यूमेंटेशन. इसके बाद मैंने क्विक स्टार्ट पे आ गया हूँ. उसके बाद मैं इधर पहला कोड डाउनलोड कर रहा हूँ. इंस्टॉल द गूगल एआई एसडीके. ये जो है गूगल कोलैब में ओपन कर रहा हूँ. गूगल कोलैब पे आ जाओ, सर्च फॉर गूगल कोलैब. उसके बाद एक कोड टाइप करो, शिफ्ट एंटर, इट इंस्टॉल. गुड है. ओके, थैंक यू. ओके, थैंक यू. Just wait, let our phones also complete. If you have completed, guys, just give me a thumbs up reaction. Okay, all right, I don't need any notification. We have installed those libraries, required libraries. Experiencer. Actually, there is three courses. Okay, please once again. Okay, no worries, no worries. I will get back. Just give me a minute. Actually, three courses which I have written is given our course, is given in our course in. Okay, and sir, there is no help on Telegram or mail. Okay, sorry sir. Okay, in the Telegram channel I need to help you guys. No, sorry if I am not explaining. Okay, let me check Telegram channel. I have gone to the Telegram channel today morning. I have seen that some of you, like Deepanshu, has facing some issues, right? Deepanshu, if you have already opened in the incognito mode, no need to worry. That is just a pop-up. No need to worry. Just cancel it and you can continue. Okay. I think Deepanshu is present in this today's session. Let me search for that. Here, G E. Okay. Deepanshu is not present in the today's session. Sorry. D I. Okay. Still not there. आपका friend Deepanshu जो भी okay. If any of you, everyone, any one of you are the friend of Deepanshu, please let him know that he can just cancel it and continue his life. Okay. Yeah, shared a screenshot in the Telegram channel, and somebody please help me out to solve my doubt. I have participated in UP. Okay, I don't know how to do what to do the certificate. Akash, okay, Akash is present in today's session. Okay, Akash. Okay, Akash, are you the one, Akash Kumar? Yeah, Akash Kumar, are you the one, Akash Kumar? We have to. Okay, Akash Kumar, are you the one who have pinged me in the Telegram channel that you have a doubts regarding the certificate? Someone has pinged the doubt, right? Someone has talked the doubt that how to complete this. Okay. Yeah, yeah. Akash. Yeah, you are the one. Okay. Okay, Akash. Is your query solved, Akash? I hope you have understood now, right? You need to complete three learning path. The three learning path, we have some activities. No. Okay, drop your query now in the Q&A session so that we can discuss. Just give me a minute. Yes, regarding the chatbot, we can discuss again. No worries. I am here. I will be discussing about the chatbot in the later on session also. Yeah, you can drop your query here in the Akash. Okay, here in Q&A session, Akash, so that I am here to solve it. You are saying that you have no query. Okay, sir, I have joined the Google. mm, Same Akash. Okay, sorry, sorry. Through Smart Index portal, could you please tell me what regarding the Akash, regarding the project? No need to worry regarding the project right now. First, you need to complete the learning part. We have three learning part. First, today we have discussed about the beginners. Next, we are going to complete beginners and intermediate. Sorry, beginners. Sorry, beginners should be completed, intermediate, and advanced should be completed. After completing of this learning part, we will be going through project. Okay. At the end of this course only, you are going to project. Am I clear with that, Akash? Can you respond me? Project group project. No worries. We will be discussing at the end of the at the end of this course. Okay. पहले आपको लर्निंग पाथ सीखना है. लर्निंग पाथ कुछ भी नहीं है, बट लर्निंग पाथ इजी भी कंप्लीट कर सकते हो, पर आपको जो भी सीखना है वो धीरे से वो समझ के सीखना है ना. मैं ये एंड नहीं है. उसके बाद yeah, Akash, can you confirm me? Are you clear with about there is three courses? Yeah, three courses: beginners, intermediate, advanced. I think यही कोर्स दिखाई दे रहा है आपको. उसके बारे में सोचना ही मत. ओके, मैं जो क्लास में बोल रहा हूँ वो कंप्लीट करो पहले. ओके, थैंक यू आकाश. थैंक यू फॉर योर रेस्पॉन्स. लेट्स कंटिन्यू बिल्डिंग आवर चैटबॉट देन. समवन हैज इट क्वेरी. ओके, पहले चैटबॉट क्रिएट करने के लिए पहले गूगल को जाओ. गूगल पे गूगल एआई स्टूडियो सर्च करो. उसके बाद इस पर क्लिक करो. पहले लिंक में क्लिक करो. उसके बाद डॉक्यूमेंटेशन पे आ जाओ. ओके, क्लिक ऑन डॉक्यूमेंटेशन. सर्च फॉर गूगल एआई स्टूडियो. क्लिक ऑन वेरी फर्स्ट लिंक. देन click on documentation. If I click on documentation, I will get back to here. उसके बाद क्विक स्टार्ट पे क्लिक करो. क्विक स्टार्ट. अब तक तो सबको समझ में आया होगा. Before the next session, can we complete all 5 labs of activity? Okay, no, guys, you cannot complete. Just try to work on the chat box for now. Okay, I'll be explaining you when you can complete it. Okay, some of you have completed it. No worries, no worries. I will be explaining you this. Okay, thank you. Search for Google AI Studio. Click on very first link. Then you will be redirected to this specific page. After that, click on documentation. उसके बाद ये वाले पेज पे आ जाओगे. उसके बाद क्विक स्टार्ट पे क्लिक करो. क्लिक करने के बाद आपको कुछ कोड दिखाई देगा। उसके बाद गूगल एआई, सॉरी गूगल कोलैब, इसको सर्च करो, गूगल कोलैब। गूगल कोलैब को सर्च करने के बाद इसको ओपन करो। आपको बेसिक वेलकम पेज वो सब दिखाई देगा। पहले आपको ये सब दिखाई देगा। उसके बाद फाइल पे आ जाओ, न्यू नोटबुक इन ड्राइव, ओ क्लिक, न्यू नोटबुक इन ड्राइव पे क्लिक करो। गूगल कोलैब को पहले बार गूगल कोलैब को ओपन करेंगे तो ये सब दिखाई देगा, गूगल कोलैब, गूगल कोलैब। ये सब आने के बाद जस्ट क्लिक ऑन फाइल, देन क्लिक ऑन न्यू नोटबुक इन ड्राइव। जब भी आप न्यू नोटबुक ओपन करेंगे ये सब दिखाई देगा, प्लेन दिखाई देगा। उस नोटबुक को नेम चेंज करो, जो भी नेम आपका मन में आए, चैट बॉट वो सब लिखो, ओके। ये आईपीओएन भी आपको चेंज कर नहीं सकते हैं, क्योंकि ये इंटीग्रेटेड पाइथन में। ओके, I hope up clear, everything is clear. Sir, can we use any other editor instead? Yeah, you can use any other editor. But sir, can I do this? You what you want to do? I don't get a clarity that if I am. Yeah, you need to do this. What I'm saying you. But just go with Google Pay Lab. That's best for now. Okay. Later on, you can work on VS Code also. I'll be explaining you how can you work on VS Code. How can you work on any other contributor. Okay. Because why I'm saying it, because here okay, here in Google Colab, you got a runtime, changed runtime. Sorry guys, I forgot a one step. You need to change your runtime, okay? Click on runtime. After opening your notebook, new notebook, we click on runtime, then click on change runtime, then choose T4 GPU. Why T4 GPU? For running this GenAI model, for our running our response, getting our response, we need a good computing power. That computing power is given by GenAI. Okay, less sorry, G4, T4 GPU. But T4 is not saved. Change on time. T4 GPU save. Okay, let's run this again. Okay, why is still, yeah, GPU is connected. If you check if GPU is connected or not, you can come here and you can check GPU is connected. Okay. First step has been completed. Then this is the next step. Copy the code, same way, drop it here. What we are saying here, just read it, then you can understand. We are saying that we are importing in our Google AI. From Google, we are importing that Google AI. Why I'm getting a trade-offs. No worries. From Google, I am importing Gen AI. Then line here we are saying that response, where we need to get our response from Gemini 2.5 Flash. What is the content? Explain what is an AI works, what is and how an AI works. Then we are saying that print it. Yeah, API key are also showing you. Okay, where what can I how can I help you? Yeah, that's great. Cloud has improved. Google AI has improved. Okay, here I have to give my API key. Sorry. I forgot to give my API key. Where you can get your API key. Go for get API key. Then you have to click on create your API key. But For now, I already have my previous API key. I'll be using the copy API key. जब भी आप न्यू हो, आपको क्रिएट एपीआई की पे क्लिक करना है। के बाद वो एपीआई की को इधर ड्रॉप कर दीजिए, शिफ्ट एंटर कर दीजिए। या one argument what the client get API key from the environment variable get API key। ओके, फर्स्ट स्टेप किधर गया डॉक्यूमेंटेशन में? ओवरव्यू है। Let me copy this. Does this work? Control C, Control V, Control Z. Windows V, Windows V. Okay. My API key is here. Let's stop it. Is not defined. Okay, let's type and then I'm getting an issue here. Let's ask here where go through my code, go through my code. Where can I? Where should I drop my API key? Drop my API key. Just enter. Go to quick start once again. All modules, text generation. Okay. Accept. Oh, sorry. These are the previous libraries, guys. They have improved. Okay, they are updated their libraries. I forgot that this is a new library. I think the documentation is not updated yet. Generative AI. Okay. थोड़ा इसको अब तक अपडेट नहीं किया है। एक गूगल एआई को अपडेट करके गूगल अंडरस्कोर गूगल डैश एआई को अपडेट करके वो गूगल डॉट जनरेटिव एआई में डाला है। अब ये कर रहे हैं तो अब हमको मिलेगा विंडोज वी। उधर गया मेरे क्या? Let's run this. Still get secret date does not exist. Okay, let me delete this then. Delete. Create an API key. Okay, let me search for okay, create API key. Copy that API key. Coming to building an application in using does not exist. I am facing an issue with the API key. Google API key, user.get API key. No worries, guys. I'll be solving this code, and upcoming class we'll be creating a chatbot, and we'll be deploying with Generative. No worries. I'm getting some issues with my API key. Secret not does not exist. Right now, I created my API key. Okay, I think I'm facing some issues. Okay, Those are not free. Okay, okay, okay. To check here, this is one free API key. Let me create once again and let's check that. No, no, so, create API key. Copy the API key. Okay, now it's a free API key. Let me check here once again. It's one. Control Z, Control B, hit enter. Oh, still I does not found the API. Okay, no worries, guys. In the upcoming session, we'll be creating. Sir, in your collab files are okay. What is the first code there? Okay, first code in the documentation. Whatever the documentation you can find the first code. No worries, no worries. Every code will be shared in the upcoming class. Import. Okay. Okay, someone has shared the code. That's good. That's good. Okay. Okay, Abhinav. Okay, Abhinav. Thank you for sharing your API key. I think I am facing some issue with my API key. Thank you, Abhinav. It's working now. Okay. This is an old version. We can change this version. I think I'm facing some issues with my API key, guys. No worries. I will try to resolve it in the upcoming session. Here you can change something and it will give you everything about it. Let's say explain how AI works in a few words. Let's say explain me about a LLM and everything it will generate. This is just an chatbot in the code, but in the later on session we will try to deploy it with the Streamlit. Okay, so let me share my code then. I'll be reviewing the Abhinav code. Thank you, Abhinav, sharing for your for sharing your API key. Just drop your API key, guys. You can create your API key here. Get your API key. Don't follow this specific code because this has updated. Before there used to be Google Dash Generative AI. Now they have updated to Google Generative. This is Google, not Generative AI. Before they used to have this, but they have updated this library. Okay, let me share those code. Let me stop sharing my screen. I have shared my code, guys. Let's work on this code. If you have any, okay. Okay. So change those API key, guys. Please change that API key. Don't use that particular API key. How did you delete that API key, right? Okay. Don't use that particular API key, guys. Yeah, now you can delete that API key and create how to get the API key. To get the API key, just share my screen once again. Go to Google AI Studio once again. Here is our Google AI Studio. Here only you have option called Get API key. Okay. Abhinav, please delete that API key because I have dropped that in the Q&A session. Okay. Here you can see a option called Get API key. If you click on Get API key, here you can create your own API key. Okay, I hope I am clear with that. If you have any more queries, guys, please let me know in the Q&A session. The session is going to be ended in 5 more minutes. If you have any more queries, please let me know, guys. Then what to do? I have given the code, guys. मैंने कोड दिया ना, फिर से कॉपी पेस्ट करूंगा. पहले लाइब्रेरीज को इंस्टॉल करो. पिप इंस्टॉल, सॉरी, कंट्रोल Z. pip install Google AI, generative AI. Okay, just google.generative AI. ये जो भी पहला है ना, import google.generative AI है ना, उसको import करो पहले, सॉरी पहले इंस्टॉल करो, पिप इंस्टॉल google.generative AI करो पहले, उसके बाद एक और को रन करो, आपका आपका एपीआई की देखे, उसके बाद आपका ओन चैटबॉट कोड में बिल हो गया। ये चैटबॉट जो है कोड में बिल हो रहा है। उसके बाद कल हम देखेंगे इसको स्ट्रीमलेट के बाद, यूजिंग स्ट्रीमलेट हाउ कैन बी डिप्लॉय दिस। कल हम देखेंगे स्ट्रीमलेट के जरिए हम कैसे उसको डिप्लॉय कर सकते हैं। Am I clear with that, guys? If you have any more queries, please let me know in the Q&A section. Okay, tomorrow chatbot will be discussed for the complex procedure, like explain the code. Okay, no worries, no worries. We'll be going to chatbot the class. Yeah. Okay, guys. With this, I'm ending this today's session. Please join the session very soon, 6 till 6:10. Okay. Bye, guys. See you tomorrow. Okay. See you day after tomorrow. Tomorrow we don't have any session. Bye, guys. Have a great day.